I don't know if y'all can see the blackbirds or not, but we're parked in Walmart picking up a few things. But the blackbirds are just everywhere. They're flying in the trees, lined up again on the roof of Walmart, everywhere. I don't know if you can see them, but good grief. They're on top of vehicles and lots of them, lots of birds. How weird. Had no idea they come where we live at this Walmart. We just live across the highway from Walmart, but good grief at the blackbirds. I thought I'd just show you a minute, let you see them. They're all in those little trees right there. And all lined up against the on top of the roof of Walmart. Well, I'll be making more videos. Y'all have a good one. Bye now.